What is up guys, in this video we'll see how to sync Obsidian across devices. We'll learn to sync between those devices using cloud platforms. So let's get into it. First we'll sync Windows to Windows or Windows to Mac. We need OneDrive which is already installed on your computer. You can use Dropbox or a different service that supports this folder option. On Mac, download OneDrive from the Mac store. Let's open this folder and create a new folder inside it and name it Obsidian. We'll store notes in this folder. If you have local Obsidian files, you can copy them and paste them here. Open Obsidian notes and click on the Open Another Vault button. If this is your first time using Obsidian, the Vault menu should open automatically. Click the Create New Vault button and name your project. Click Browse and select the Obsidian folder from the Cloud Storage folder. Add notes to your project. That's it. Turn on your other computer, open Obsidian and click the same Open Another Vault button. This time, click this Open button. Go to the folder inside the Obsidian folder in OneDrive. Then click on Select Folder. Now editing here will also edit files on your other PC. Please ensure that the files are synced. Let's learn to do iPhone and PC now. iPhone to PC requires iCloud as there is no other way. You already have iCloud on your MacBook and iPhone. On Windows, search for iCloud in Windows Store and install it. Put in your Apple ID here, then click this Apply button to save changes. Next, unlock your iPhone and install Obsidian. Open it and click on this Create New Vault button. On the next screen, give it a name and check this Store in iCloud option. This will create an Obsidian folder in iCloud. Now add and edit notes on your iPhone. On PC, open Obsidian and click this Open Another Vault button. Click Open and go to the Obsidian folder in the iCloud folder. Open the project files from here. The Android and PC is slightly tricky as there is no official way, but there are great third-party ways, and today we'll use the combination of OneDrive and FolderSync apps. You can use Dropbox or a different service if you want. Download Obsidian on both devices and download FolderSync and OneDrive on your Android phone. Ensure you have OneDrive on your desktop PC and that you're using the same account. This is my Obsidian, which is already saving files to this folder in OneDrive. We'll open those files on Android. If you don't have any projects in OneDrive, open OneDrive and create a folder titled Obsidian. On your Android device, go to Files and create a folder titled Obsidian to save all the projects. Now open the FolderSync app, accept the terms and conditions and allow the file and notification permissions. You can give it other permissions if you like. Go to this third tab and click this Add Account button. Choose OneDrive. This will ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. Log in and give the app permission to use your files. After signing in, go to this second tab and click Create Folder Pair. Give this pair a name. I'll type Obsidian Sync. Leave those two as they are. You can adjust this option to sync files from one device only. From the left, we'll choose the Obsidian folder we created in our files on Android. Open the folder and tap this Select button. Then choose OneDrive from the right and click here to go to the folder you created in OneDrive. If you already have Obsidian project files in OneDrive, you can go to that folder. Inside this folder, click this Select button. Tap this Save button to save this combination. On this screen, to sync those files, click this Sync button. When the sync is complete, you'll see this green background. Now both folders are syncing. You will see your Obsidian project files in this folder. Open Obsidian on Android. Let's open a vault from the folder by clicking here. Choose one of the projects in your folder. Here we go. Now you can edit things here. However, you must open the FolderSync app, go to this second tab and click this sync button whenever you want to sync. You can also schedule sync so the app can sync in the background. So this is how you sync Obsidian across devices. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you need any help and take care.